Just man. Jet black. Hey. Yeah, I was gonna go to the bull riding place today, but I was too late, y'all. I was too low. Look out. Hey, look out. Hey, man, this side. Hey, man. You on my YouTube channel? Hey, man. This side. Hey, man, this side. More bass, more rap. Oh shit! Oh shit! It's other side, man. It's a setup. Oh shit, man. This side before they go. That's a bad motherfucker on the right side. Yeah. Somebody gotta get popped in the ass on this one. What's that, a Z06? Boom! Boom! Hit him in their goddamn ass! Hit him in their goddamn ass! Get it out your ass, motherfucker! Get it out your goddamn ass! Boom! Boom! Goddamn. Give me my blood money. That's blood money. Look out.
Hey, what up, bro? The fuck wrong with your boy?
Oh man, I'm doing my Funky Town impression. Boom! Popped them in their goddamn ass. The only way I lose is if it's some fixed shit. Is it fixed? Y'all fixed it? Okay. What side you got, look out? Okay, I take right lane. Well, we call red light no raise, didn't we? Yeah, red light no raise. You don't get paid. I call red light no raise. Yeah, that one's red light, no race. I don't care about age. Hey man, this side. Hey man. I'll take this bad motherfucker on this side. Hey man, this side. Hey man, I give you odds, man. 5 to 15. 10 to 30. This a bad motherfucker right here, man. Boom, get it out your ass. Left lane one. Boom. Get it out your goddamn ass.
Pop go down there?
Huh?
Pop went down there, huh?
Yeah, he went down through there. What truck is this? This side, man. That's a bad motherfucker, man. Hey man, this side.
Which side? That side?
This side, man. I got